Q2C is a higher altitude jet-powered target system being manufactured for the United States Air Force by the Ryan Aeronautical Company, the most experienced designers and builders of high-performance free-flying jet targets in the aeronautical industry. With the advent of offensive and defensive missile armament that doubles or triples the speed of sound and reaches higher and higher into the upper atmosphere, there arises a constantly more critical requirement for targets that can match the performance of the latest enemy threat aircraft. There is an ever-increasing need to examine airframe, engine, search radar, fire control system, and target requirements of each weapon system in order to provide positive assurance that our air defense capability is actual, not theoretical. Just as the Ryan Firebee Q2A provided the first realistic target for today's interceptors, so must tomorrow's weapons be provided with a target that will test the accuracy and adequacy of the entire weapon system. The answer to this requirement is the Q2C Firebee, a faster, higher altitude, longer range, more evasive target. It is designed to meet the challenge of these new weapon systems and alert Air Force teams. It is programmed for operational use beginning in early 1960. In addition to electronic and photographic scoring systems, the Q2C provides for electronic countermeasure capabilities, presenting even more realistically the evasive and escape potentialities of modern enemy jet aircraft. Refinement of the successful Firebee recovery system used in Q2A and KDA-4 targets ensures extensive reuse of the Q2C. Coupled with increased reliability of performance and simplification of ground maintenance procedures, this guarantees continued economy of performance, one of the outstanding characteristics of previous Firebees. Unlike the externally mounted wingtip pods of the Q2A, which house corner reflectors and Lüneburg lenses, the Q2C will be equipped with internally contained traveling wave tube amplifiers in the several bands. To accommodate this equipment, the Q2C fuselage is 18 inches longer than that of the Q2A. Development of the traveling wave tube systems to date by Ryan has included functional testing, airborne tests with traveling wave tube amplifiers installed in an F-94 aircraft, as well as environmental testing. Tests with actual missile weapons have been scheduled with the traveling wave tube systems installed in the X-Q2C. Still another capability which the Q2C offers is the provision for installation of scoring equipment. The nose section of the Q2C was designed with this purpose in mind. Adequate space and power provisions are available for installation of a scoring system kit. In addition to the special considerations given to active augmentation and scoring, many new improvements have been incorporated for the maintenance and service aspects of target system operation. Special test units for overall systems checks and calibration have been designed integrally within the system. The wing area and the horizontal stabilizer span of the Q2C has been increased by 1/3 over that of the Q2A. Improvements in the stabilization system design assures the high degree of directional stability required in Firebee missions. Power plant for the Q2C is the Continental J69T-29A engine, rated at 1,700 pounds static sea level thrust. In the impressive research and development test flight program, more than 50% of all X-Q2C flights were flown above 50,000 feet, with a maximum altitude of 59,500 feet attained. A flight endurance of 97 minutes, over 77 minutes above the altitude of 50,000 feet, highlights the notable average flight time of 46 4/10 minutes. A speed record of Mach .96 at 51,000 feet makes this a target to reach for. All flight evaluation adds up to the fact that the Q2C is a rugged, versatile, highly competent jet target, capable of challenging and evaluating the ever-increasing capabilities of the vast arsenal of airborne weapon systems of the Department of Defense and the skilled technicians who man them.